In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix a white or black screen on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more content like this. And if WhatsApp is showing a white or black screen for you and isn't loading, here's a few fixes that you can try. Make sure to watch the full video so that you don't miss any of them. First, try restarting WhatsApp. Simply swipe up slowly from the bottom of your screen to open up the app switcher, and then fully swipe out of WhatsApp to close it. From here, go ahead and reopen up WhatsApp to see if that issue has been resolved. If it's still not working, go ahead and close out of WhatsApp completely, just like so, and navigate to your iPhone settings. Scroll down until you find General and open that up, and then choose iPhone Storage. And when you get into iPhone storage, what you're going to want to do is actually scroll down until you find WhatsApp on here. You might have to hit show all, but once you find WhatsApp, go ahead and open it up and then go ahead and select offload app. When you hit this, it's going to ask you to confirm. Go ahead and confirm it by hitting offload app again. And once you do that, reopen up WhatsApp and see if that fixed your issue. If it still did not fix that issue, what you could do is actually go back to your settings again and return to this main section that looks like this. Scroll down until you find the apps list all the way at the bottom and simply search up WhatsApp at the top, and it's going to pop up with a page that looks like this. Click on this and essentially just make sure all of the necessary permissions are turned on for WhatsApp. From here, you can now close both settings and WhatsApp from the app switcher and then relaunch WhatsApp, and hopefully your issue is now going to be fixed. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Have a good rest of your day.